Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to optimize your Android phone battery for best performance on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Phone Master. Having opened up your Phone Master, allow the Phone Master to load completely. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Battery Optimization. Now you are here. First thing first, make sure power saving mode is enabled right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Power Saver. Allow this scan to run completely, then you are here. You have all apps right here that need to be optimized based on your battery and to boost your battery and improve your Android phone performance. You can check as many as possible rest right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Optimize. Now, battery optimize completely, just like so. You can go ahead and go back. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Ultra Power Saving. Click on that. So here, you can add maximum of 6 apps right here. So go ahead and click on Enable Ultra Power Save. Ultra Power Saving mode. Ultra Power Saving will significantly extend the battery life, but only 6 app optimization are available. Click on Enable.